हेलो फ्यूचर ऑफिसर्स, वेलकम टू दिस सेशन। आज के सेशन में हम बात करेंगे अबाउट द 50 मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन फॉर द इंटरव्यू ऑफ बीपीएससी। ये क्वेश्चंस एक्सपर्ट द्वारा क्यूरेटेड हैं एंड डिफरेंट कैटेगरी वाइज प्लेस्ड हैं, जिससे आप अपने आंसर्स को अच्छे से फॉर्मेट कर सकें और इंटरव्यू की एक अच्छी तैयारी कर पाएं। So let's begin. So the first category is about the personal background and the expected questions are here. Tell us about yourself. Why do you want to join the civil services? Why BPSC and not other services? What are your strengths and weaknesses? Who is your role model and why? How will your academic background help in administration? Why did you choose your graduation subject? उससे related जो भी और questions हो सकते हैं. What is your long-term vision as a civil servant? How do you handle stress or pressure situations? What do you think is the biggest achievement of your life so far? Then hometown related questions या आपके district पे जो based हो सकते हैं. Let's see. Tell us about your native place. What are the major problems of your district? How would you resolve them? Name some famous personalities from your district. What is your district known for historically or culturally? What development schemes are currently active in your area? Then current affairs based questions. What is the most recent national news in your view? What are current economic challenges for India? How would you rate the performance of the current Bihar government? What do you think about India's foreign policy towards neighbors? What is your opinion on reservation policies in India? Then हम बिहार specific questions को देख लेते हैं. What are the main challenges Bihar faces today? How will you tackle corruption in Bihar administration? What steps can be taken to stop migration from Bihar? Bihar is flood prone. What measures should be taken? What are Bihar's strengths in terms of economy and culture? Role of women in Bihar's development. What are your views on that? What is your opinion about development in Bihar? How can Bihar attract industries and investment? Which schemes have worked well in Bihar recently? What lessons can Bihar learn from other state development models? Then governance and administration related questions. How would you handle a situation of law and order breakdown in your area? If you find political pressure interfering with your work, what will you do? How will you deal with strikes and protests in your jurisdiction? What is good governance in your view? How will you ensure transparency and accountability in your office? How would you handle a communal tension situation? Suppose villagers are protesting against a developmental project, what steps would you take? How will you use technology to improve administration? What is your view on e-governance in Bihar? How will you address grievances of marginalized sections? Then general knowledge and opinion based questions क्या हो सकते हैं? Let's see. What is role of Bihar in Indian history? Who is your favorite historical figure from Bihar and why? What are your views on India's economic slowdown? What is the importance of Panchayati Raj in Bihar? What do you think about India's growing urbanization? How should Bihar tackle unemployment? What are your views on climate change and Bihar's vulnerability? What do you think about India's education system? How will you balance development and environment protection in India and Bihar? What reforms do you think BPSC needs in its examination system? आपके सामने प्रेजेंट किए द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस, आप इनको आंसर्स को फॉर्मेट कीजिए एंड प्रैक्टिस फॉर योर इंटरव्यू. सो दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम आवर साइड. थैंक यू. कीप लर्निंग.